humans! Basically, मैं swimming के लिए जा रही हूँ अभी and I was feeling really nauseous as I ate a lot and I definitely did not want to throw up in the car. But आज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी and I literally wanted to go back home at this point. I know I said I always say that, but still. ऊपर से रोड की कंस्ट्रक्शन अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुई तो ये लिटरली इसकी वजह से ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा होनी शुरू हो गई थी. I know इधर you can't see much, but there was. Not me trying to film myself in the mirror with the car constantly moving, so I'm really sorry अगर मैंने आपका सर घुमा दिया पूरा. I didn't mean to. Maybe I did. Okay, I'm just kidding. I didn't. I felt nauseous again. Let's do my eyebrows. I don't know why I was trying this filter, so my apologies for burning your eyes. The trees looked really pretty. A little birdie. वापसी पे literally the weather एकदम से ऐसे change हुआ. That filter does not look cute on me. Oh my god. So मेरी आंखें burn होना शुरू हो गई थी cause chlorine मेरी आंखों में चला गया था, which is not good. Nice filter, Isa. And if you live in Pindi, you would know कि यहाँ का weather इतना crazy change होता है. Literally, like 2 hours में sunny से इतना windy हो गया कि ऐसे लग रहा था literally रात होनी शुरू हो गई है. इतनी ज़्यादा तेज़ हवा चल रही थी. I'm not even kidding. The weather was absolutely beautiful. Like, can you just see? Like, it looks so pretty. It was not even 5 PM कि जब weather इस तरह हो गया था and yes ये random चीज़ उड़ रही थी sky में, which was cool. I captured that accidentally. We had to get some stuff on our way back, so yeah. After that I was hungry, so we stopped at McDonald's because why not? ये Sprite की bottle मैं आगे से हटा दूँ जल्दी से. And of course मेरी lipstick सारी smudge हो गई थी mask पहनने की वजह से. And I just realized कि मैंने shade उल्टा लगाया हुआ था. I had to get some more things. I was so hungry at this point कि मुझे एक पूरे 5 minutes भी नहीं लगे थे fries अपने ख़त्म करने में. And we were on our way back to home. My apologies, आपकी eyes को ये देखना पड़ रहा है, but I was bored, okay? So yeah. Let's not throw up. Update on his ear. Basically, he has some cotton in his ear, and so we're taking him back to the vet to like get it out.
That's why he's been like,
in so much pain, and
that's why his ears have been like an airplane.
देख रहा हूँ मैं तुझे। घर चल तू जरा। इस डब्बे में जो बंद किया है ना मुझे फिर से।
मिनी,
मम्मा, मैं मम्मा को शिकायत लगाई भी थी एंड देन फिर से तू मुझे चुरा के लेके आ गया। देख रहा हूँ मैं तुझे जरा। घर चल तू। कितनी देर लगेगी और जल्दी कर बिलाल भाई।
I feel so bad. He's so scared, but we have to take him. Oh, you.
मेरी ईयर में पेन हो। अभी तू घर चल ना जरा, मैं तुझे बताता हूँ। रिवेंज आज मैं पूरा करूँगा अपना। रियाई।
I was literally so furious at the vet at this point because he literally left a piece of cotton in his ear for a day. We didn't even realize it until the next day. He was in so much pain.
Revenge time.
Basically, my mom was making this video and घर आते साथ ही इसने मेरे कमरे में घुस के मेरी ड्रॉर्स खोल के पूरा बदला लेने की कोशिश किया।
छुपाई भी ना तूने इसके अंदर। सुबह कर जरा, बताता हूँ मैं। आज मैं खोल के ही रहूंगा ये ड्रॉर। खुल गई।
Minnie, I was going to kill you.
If you liked the video, comment your favorite moment and have a nice day!